Kahapon nga si Uning, gak tahu di mana mau berangkat kerja anak disuruh dulu. Ano? Begitu lah kalau jadi pembantu dulu. Ya dong, gajinya kan.
Coba main ini juga yang sana ya, panasan. Coba. Jangan ke air, jauh takutnya airnya apa? Ke sana. Biar enggak panas-panas.
Nggak usah teriak-teriak, nggak usah teriak-teriak.
Jangan teriak-teriak. Masuk sana. Ke sana. Main luar di sana. Jangan jauh. Takutnya itu runtuh tanahnya. Tempatnya bagus.
Kita ke sana semua.
Iya, ada aja sana sini.
Sama Kak Mela, ayo.
Kita duduk di sini. Hadap sana. Hadap sana. Kamu sini. Soleh, siapa namanya kamu?
Gibran.
Gibran hadap sini. Jangan hadap ke kamera ya. Hadap ke matahari. Gini. Satu,
Hadap ke matahari.
pakai tangan kaki.
Hadap ke matahari.
1, 2, 3.
Dah.
Yeah, I wish I can do something about it. Instead, I'm walking here now. Next by to this rising river and forest with muddy road. So the road and the river at the same level. So you have to jump from each part of the. You. No, I'm safe. I still have like a quarter way to get there. A quarter. Okay, so good morning. So this is what I've been doing. Using a long knife. And this will look like just to pull something like this. Make it flat. Make sure that there is no, what is that name, wood around it. I know it's drizzling, but yeah. So yeah, this is what I do. If there is grasses that normally a lot, you have to pull the grasses off the ground, put it away like this. Just make it sure that there is no wood, make it flat around it, about 2 meters wide, and yeah, no grass, no wood, that's all. So, and it's a bit drizzling, it's raining I have to say, but yeah, today my goal is I can do it at least 10, normally 15 or something. So now it's sunny. It's really hot. My phone is fell off. Is it good? Yeah, good now. Yeah, is it good? Yeah, it's good. So yeah, it's almost 12:30. So meaning my work will be finished around 3 o'clock actually. But I just want to go home because my other workers, my co-workers, not normally, I'm sure they just stay in that camp because it's been raining from morning until from 7 until 10:30 I guess, and I already get 10. Normally I got 15 or something, and then I already get 10, and it's more than enough. Some people are gonna finish at like 5 or 8, maybe 11, something like that, but 10 is more than enough for today. And the fact that I'm all alone here, so I think yeah, and it's cloudy there. So I think I want to go home after this, after a little cool down, a little waiting for my boat a little dried, because there is a hole in it. So when I step on water, on mushy little wet thing, the water came through. Is it came through or get through into my shoes and wetting everything inside. Anyway, so that's enough for today. It's really hot. Come here.